Ever felt stuck trying to create eye-catching designs? What if you could make professional graphics in minutes, no experience needed? Meet Canva, the drag-and-drop design platform used by over 100 million people. Whether you're a startup, teacher, or content creator, Canva turns ideas into stunning visuals. Start with thousands of customizable templates. Swap photos from Canva's massive library, or upload your own. Drag in elements like shapes, charts, or even animations. Plus, use Magic Studio's AI tools to generate images or rewrite text in seconds. Working with a team? Collaborate, leave comments, and share designs seamlessly. Canva syncs across devices. Start on your phone, finish on your laptop. No more version chaos. From resumes and business cards to videos and social media schedules, Canva does it all. Export in any format: PDF, MP4, GIF, or even share directly to LinkedIn or TikTok. The free plan packs a punch. But upgrade to Canva Pro for game changers like instant background removal, brand consistency tools, and 100+ million premium assets. Ready to design fearlessly? Join millions saving time and unleashing creativity. Try Canva today, it's free to start. Your imagination's the only limit. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell so when I post a video you'll be the first to get it. Thanks for watching.